بير يانغوندي فيتير.
المستقبل هو النظير.
Anagaye asenantu ayechin tutu.
El futuro es a la par.
mustaqbalka waa kaalmada howlaha bulshada.
Kon me anyim obibino gibor direm.
The future is peer.
Hi, I'm Mahad Hassan. I'm the training coordinator for our Culturally Specific Peer Support Training Program here at Lutheran Community Services Northwest. We piloted this training in 2017 and have since trained over 90 peers from 35 different countries. Our training is for immigrant and refugee community members and provides them with the behavioral health education and skills training to become certified peer support specialists in the state of Oregon. Now we'll hear from Yulia about her journey to become a peer support specialist.
I moved to US seeking for the better life, but I ended up with two very abusive marriages, and I was left alone with my kids on the street. I had to sleep in the car, I had nobody to talk to and to get an advice or support or any help. I started to Google what can I do, and I found Lutheran Community Services. I started to see counselors, which were very helpful, but I didn't have any peers. And this is one of the reasons why I decided to be a peer support specialist, to be a person who can share my experience with people who are in the same situation and who go through difficult times, but they don't know who to ask for help because other people were not seeing what they see.
Next, we'll hear from Sam, one of our training graduates and a peer support specialist here at Lutheran Community Services Northwest.
My name is Sam Alouhi. I'm from Homs, Syria. I was working as a dentist in Saudi Arabia. My safety was threatened there. For that reason, I left the country, and I couldn't return back to Syria because of the war. I was working there as a dentist. When I came here to Portland, I had a traumatic experience because losing of my profession and my status. So it was a little bit depressed. I have a friend of mine. He told me about the training in Lutheran Community Services, the training for peer support specialist. And that gave me a lot of things to know how I can care for myself. At the same time, gave me the techniques, how I can help the others to overcome their challenges, the same experience I went through before. My journey is their journey.
My name's Seth Cohen. I'm a licensed clinical social worker with Lutheran Community Services, where I've been working to help develop and implement a mental health intervention for refugee communities that focuses on peer support services. Sam was able to benefit immensely from being a part of our peer support training program and eventually was hired on our clinical team to be able to provide services to people from his community. Our 40-hour state-approved peer support specialist training focuses on the unique mental health experiences of refugees and immigrants coming to the United States. It provides trainees with the knowledge, tools, and resources to be able to utilize their own lived experiences and their stories to support other people going through similar hardships. Our program is really about connecting people who've had the experience of refugees with others who have gone through a very similar life experience, to work together as equals, to learn together, and go through life's challenges with one another.
Our training is really a space where our community members come together and learn about mental health. This space is really a space for healing. The goal is to have community members leave with a better understanding of mental health so they can help their community members access available services. They also gain the confidence and skills and knowledge to use their community's existing resources and experiences in order to strengthen their communities. We're excited for what the future holds. We're continuing to advocate on a systems level for refugee and immigrant behavioral health needs and to ensure the perspectives of culturally specific communities are at the table. For future training opportunities and peer support training projects, please visit our website.